Now let us see what is the recommended process or procedures for the members. We'll see that there are two things, members and the firms. Okay, so the recommended process for the members is that you need to stay informed. Okay, so you should update yourself. Okay, you should keep informed about the new rules, new regulations, etc. Okay, right. Then you should regularly review the written compliance procedures. So you will find that the firm would have some compliance procedures, so you should regularly review what is the compliance procedure of the firm. Okay, and update yourself on that. Okay, you should maintain current files. So maintenance of current file means like whatever research you are doing, whatever filings you are making to the different bodies, you should maintain current files of that. Okay, then you should make reasonable effort to understand the applicable laws. Okay, please note that it is not required that you become very informed, or you are the expert in the laws. Okay, that is not the expectation from a research analyst or a portfolio manager. Expectation is that you understand, okay, on a high level what are the laws and what would be problematic. Okay, but a deeper understanding is not required. So in case of some issues which you are not able to identify, okay, so you should go and seek the advice from your compliance department or the legal department. Okay, so from there you see these people are the expert, right? So they would be able to advise whether the things that you are doing is right or wrong, right? Then what they're saying is you should dissociate from any activity. If you think that any activity which is a violation of the standards, you should dissociate. Okay, right? And when you are dissociating, you should document the violation. So what exactly you think that has happened and why you find that is a violation, you document it. Okay, then you can directly ask the wrongdoers to stop the violation. Okay, right? Now you have to I would, as we have said, that you have to go through the proper channel. Okay, and then do. Okay, or you may confront directly. Okay, but in many situations it may happen that that the firm is not saying not working as per your recommendation, or maybe not doing the ethical thing. So in such cases you may have to resign from the firm. So that is like a extreme case, but yes, okay, because we have said that inaction may be considered as violation and dissociation may not be possible. So in such cases you may have to resign from the firm. Okay, then what are the recommended process for the firm? Okay, so the recommended process for the firm is that if the firm does not have any code of ethics, then the firm should develop, okay, or they should adopt some code of ethics. As an example, a firm can adopt the CFA code of ethics. Okay, right? Then the firm should internally distribute information on any applicable laws, rules, regulations. So they should distribute this information to the public. Okay, then they should have written process and policies. Okay, so this process and policy will help in giving the employees a chance to report if there are any violations. So what happens is, if you find that there any violation, you should be able to report. So these written policies, etc., will be summarizing what are the process to be taken for when you see any violation. How do you escalate to the various authorities? So what we have is over here, if you see standard, okay, what is the standard, what are the guidance, and what are the recommended process.